Welcome back to New Car Updates, your go-to channel for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the all-new 2026 Toyota camper van. If you're someone who loves road trips, off-grid adventures, or the van life movement, this is a vehicle you won't want to miss. Toyota has been a leader in reliability and innovation, and now they're stepping into the camper van market with a model that promises comfort, convenience, and rugged capability. This van is designed to meet the needs of travelers who want a versatile and reliable home on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Toyota camper van features a sleek yet functional design. It has a modern boxy shape that maximizes interior space while maintaining good aerodynamics for fuel efficiency. The front grille is bold with sharp LED headlights, giving it a futuristic look. Large windows wrap around the sides, offering great visibility and bringing in plenty of natural light. Toyota has also equipped it with roof rails for extra cargo options, and an available pop-up roof adds even more space. With multiple color options like classic white, deep blue, and even rugged matte black, there's a look for every kind of adventurer. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple powertrain options to suit different needs. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, delivering excellent fuel efficiency while maintaining enough power for long-distance travel. For those who need more power and off-road capability, Toyota has a 3.5-liter V6 engine option with all-wheel drive, perfect for rough terrain and remote locations. But the most exciting news is the fully electric version, which offers an estimated range of 300 miles on a single charge. With fast charging capability, you can get an 80% charge in just 45 minutes, making it one of the most practical EV camper vans on the market. Now, stepping inside, the 2026 Toyota camper van is designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The high-quality materials give it a premium feel, and the dashboard features a modern 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The van also includes multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot for staying connected on the road. Sleeping arrangements are well thought out, with rear seats that fold completely flat to create a bed for two. If you opt for the pop-up roof, you get an additional sleeping area, making it perfect for small families or extra guests. The van also includes a compact kitchenette with a sink, a portable stove, and a small refrigerator, giving you everything you need to cook meals on the go. Toyota has maximized storage space with compartments under the seats and overhead bins, ensuring you can bring all your essentials without cluttering the living area. One of the standout features of this camper van is its smart camping technology. Toyota has integrated a state-of-the-art power management system that allows you to monitor battery levels, solar panel input, and water usage through a mobile app. You can even control interior lighting, climate settings, and security features remotely. This makes camping easier and more efficient, especially for those who like to go off-grid. Toyota is known for its commitment to safety, and the 2026 camper van is no exception. It comes equipped with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easy parking and maneuvering. The emergency braking system and rear cross-traffic alert provide extra peace of mind, whether you're driving on the highway or backing into a campsite. For adventure seekers, Toyota is offering an optional Overland package. This upgrade includes all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, skid plates, and an enhanced suspension system. There's even an optional snorkel for deep water crossings, making this camper van capable of handling extreme conditions. When it comes to pricing, Toyota has not officially announced the numbers yet, but industry experts predict that the base model will start at around $45,000. Fully loaded versions with all the premium features and the Overland package could go up to $70,000. Considering the technology, comfort, and capability this van offers, it's a competitive price for a high-quality camper van. So is the 2026 Toyota camper van the ultimate adventure vehicle. With its multiple powertrain options, smart technology, and off-road capabilities, it definitely seems like a strong contender in the camper van market. Whether you're a weekend traveler or planning to embrace full-time van life, this vehicle has everything you need for a comfortable and exciting journey. What do you think about the 2026 Toyota camper van? Would you go for the hybrid, the powerful V6, or the fully electric version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more exciting car news, and we'll see you in the next video.